Hi, my name is Elizabeth Eubanks, and I am in the Intro to Horticulture Therapy class at UF. This is my first 3-minute research report. I chose an article titled Empowering Citizens in a Global Era, a Grounded Theory Study of Community Gardens. The author is Anita, who was a student at Clemson University, and this is the dissertation that she did in 2014. I was particularly interested in this one because I run a community garden in Pensacola. The big picture here is addressing food insecurity. However, the author thought that it would be best if she first learned what community gardens actually were and what the gardening experience means to the participants. The subjects came from 6 community gardens, 1 coordinator or founder from each garden, and 5 volunteers from each garden. All ranged from the age of 20 to 70 years old. 61% were female and 39% male. The race was 82% white, with Asian, Black, Hispanic, and Middle Eastern. Homeowners were 97%, and the home occupancy had 3 or more living in the home. The location of the gardens were set in Greenville County, South Carolina, and the gardens were categorized as community-based, neighborhood, and faith-based gardens. They were all established between 2009 and 2012 and ranged in size from 800 to 7,600 square feet. The plot range was either 1 collective garden or 23 individual managed plots. Each had about 10 to 20 who either volunteered or got paid, and the experiment took place during the summer of 2014. All participants were interviewed. The coordinators had a semi-structured interview, and they were really looking for history, background, governance of the gardens, whereas the volunteers, they utilized the ground theory method, and it was really broad, open-ended questions that looked at the nature of gardening, the community garden, what it means to them, the broader impact it makes, and how it plays a role in society. This was a qualitative study with pre-signed consent forms. They utilized the ground theory methodology, and they wanted to see how participants could articulate the meaning of their community gardening experience. They used coding to decipher the constant comparative method. 3 key points was that there were 9 predominant themes that emerged, and some of them are a sense of community and belonging, learning skills, and building confidence. They're all listed here. The other was that community gardens are beneficial to food security, and that community gardens are meaningful and fit with the theories of the basic needs depicted by Maslow. Some limitations of the study were, at the time, there were 73 known community gardens in Greenville County, but they only were limited to researching 6 of them. Another one is that the primary investigator was the coordinator of one of the gardens, and also the sample did not include all members of the community gardens, only a select few. Thank you so much for watching and listening.